Hi and welcome to a new video. While browsing and reading comments on TikTok, you probably notice some phrases with a blue search icon. This specific feature allows for certain keywords to be automatically hyperlinked when the algorithm determines that they're related to the post. When accessed, similar context results are displayed just like a standard search function. In this video, I will show you how this feature works on TikTok. Let's go. As I've mentioned earlier, search links are algorithm-based. Thus, it isn't possible for any user to manually create or link searches in his comments. Therefore, if you want your comment to stand out and have that blue search indicator, make sure to look for popular keywords amongst the posted comments. These are typically found as hashtags, most mentioned phrases, or any other terms that generally relates to the topic of the TikTok video. For instance, if a TikTok video features a celebrity, you can try including his or her screen name in your comments. However, keep in mind that since this feature is algorithmic, inconsistencies are possible because the app generally decides which words to link or not. Usually, search links only work for videos that have enough data for the algorithm to quickly detect common keywords. Thus, chances are slim if your video is relatively new and has few existing comments. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.